Stir-fry dishes are a fantastic way to enjoy a nutritious meal packed with vegetables, lean proteins, and flavorful sauces. Here are a few recipes that you can try. 1. Chicken and vegetable stir-fry. Ingredients: 1 pound, 450 g, boneless, skinless chicken breast, thinly sliced. 2 cups broccoli florets. 1 red bell pepper, thinly sliced. 1 yellow bell pepper, thinly sliced. 1 carrot, julienne. 1 cup snap peas. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, minced. 3 tablespoons soy sauce, low sodium. 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce. 2 tablespoons olive oil or sesame oil. 1 teaspoon cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons water, optional, for thickening. Cooked brown rice or quinoa, for serving. Instructions: 1. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. 2. Add the chicken and stir-fry until fully cooked, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set aside. 3. In the same skillet, add the remaining oil. Add garlic and ginger, sauté for 1 minute until fragrant. 4. Add broccoli, bell peppers, carrot, and snap peas. Stir-fry for 4 to 5 minutes until vegetables are tender but still crisp. 5. Return the chicken to the skillet. Add soy sauce, oyster sauce, and hoisin sauce. Stir well to combine. 6. If using, add the cornstarch mixture to the skillet and stir until the sauce thickens. 7. Serve hot over cooked brown rice or quinoa. 2. Beef and broccoli stir-fry. Ingredients: 1 pound, 450 g, flank steak, thinly sliced against the grain. 4 cups broccoli florets. 1 onion, thinly sliced. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, minced. 3 tablespoons soy sauce, low sodium. 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. 1 tablespoon honey. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon sesame oil, optional. Cooked brown rice or noodles, for serving. Instructions: 1. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over high heat. 2. Add the beef slices and stir-fry until browned, about 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the beef from the skillet and set aside. 3. In the same skillet, add the remaining oil. Add garlic, ginger, and onion. Stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant. 4. Add broccoli florets and stir-fry for 3 to 4 minutes until tender crisp. 5. Return the beef to the skillet. Add soy sauce, oyster sauce, rice vinegar, honey, and sesame oil, if using. Stir well to combine. 6. Serve hot over cooked brown rice or noodles. 3. Tofu and vegetable stir-fry. Ingredients: 1 block, 14 oz/400 g, firm tofu, pressed and cut into cubes. 2 cups baby bok choy, chopped. 1 red bell pepper, thinly sliced. 1 zucchini, sliced into half-moons. 1 cup mushrooms, sliced. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, minced. 3 tablespoons soy sauce, low sodium. 2 tablespoons hoisin sauce. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Cooked jasmine rice or brown rice, for serving. Instructions: 1. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. 2. Add tofu cubes and stir-fry until golden brown and crispy on all sides, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the tofu from the skillet and set aside. 3. In the same skillet, add the remaining oil. Add garlic and ginger, sauté for 1 minute until fragrant. 4. Add bok choy, bell pepper, zucchini, and mushrooms. Stir-fry for 4 to 5 minutes until vegetables are tender but still crisp. 5. Return the tofu to the skillet. Add soy sauce, hoisin sauce, and sesame oil. Stir well to combine. 6. Serve hot over cooked jasmine rice or brown rice. Tips for nutritious stir-fries. Use a variety of colorful vegetables. Different colors usually mean different nutrients. Choose lean proteins, such as chicken breast, tofu, shrimp, or lean cuts of beef. Limit high-sodium sauces, opt for low-sodium soy sauce and use small amounts. Healthy oils, use oils like olive oil or sesame oil in moderation. Whole grains, serve with brown rice, quinoa, or whole grain noodles for added fiber. Enjoy these healthy and delicious stir-fry recipes. Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the NI655 family. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the content, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome videos.